Hello everyone, my name is Tarchana, and on behalf of Selangor Indian Chamber of Commerce and Entrepreneur, I would like to invite you to join us for our first ever Zoom conference. This conference topic will be the multi-outlook of industry after the MCO period. We are mainly discussing these issues with 4 experts in the industry, and the discussion will be based on the problem faced, the solution to be given, and what is a sustainability landscape. Our first sector will be about the food manufacturing and agriculture sector. I hereby inviting you all to join us and have your queries with the panels of speakers.